What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing an install. Since I didn't get to do a video on the cold air intake install, which I'm looking at right now, and it's doing fantastic, by the way. Nothing's come loose, no lights. It's fantastic. But in today's video, we're going to be installing some grill lights. If anybody is familiar with the Raptor grill lights by Z1, which hopefully Z1's watching these videos one day, or somebody in the comments tag Z1, because I'm going to be one of their main customers eventually, especially after buying 2 of their products. So anyways, so what we're doing is these little Raptor lights. Yeah, it's still in the plastic, but this is just one of the ones I haven't assembled yet. I'm going to assemble them. And here's the bracket. Let me get the bracket open. That way y'all can see what we're working with. Come on, get out of the package. There we go. I'm doing it one-handed, so don't judge me. So here's the bracket. The light's going to sit, which you'll see when I get them all assembled, English. We'll get this, it'll sit in this little area right here. You got to have this, well, I'm sorry, it's going to be sitting this way. I'm still learning, but the clip's going to come into the grill on the other side like this. It's going to be sitting one here, 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 and here. That way it gives it the Raptor style appearance. It's something new to me that I'm going with, and I think I'll enjoy it because I'm a big lighting person, as people would know on my charger that know me personally, and for what people have seen, I am a lighting guy. But we're not doing multicolors this time, so we're doing DOT approved. So yeah, hopefully y'all stick around, watch the video if you're interested in buying some of these Raptor lights for the D41 or D40. I want to say it's D40. It might just be D41, which is the 22 and up Frontiers. They're on Z1's website. They're actually on sale right now for a tax sale, as they call it. You can pick them up for about 90 bucks. Normally they're about 100, so you're saving a little bit of cash. Which obviously it's not sponsored, it's through my own pocket. So once we get them installed, you like them, go check out z1offroad.com and go pick you some up for yourself. I mean, I think anybody that's liking DOT approved lights, as far as either LED or amber, I got amber, which there is an LED option. I should have went LED just because of the lights on the grill up here, but I went ahead and just went amber just because, be a little different. Because, you know, we're a menace to society. We're going to be different, regardless of what people say. So, anyways, let's get started. Alrighty, guys. So, we're about to get started. First things first, disconnect your negative battery terminal, which, as you can see, I have already done. Off and put away. Yes, I've already kind of done the fuse step because I didn't know that tray slid out, so it made it a lot more difficult than it needed. But I'll go over that here in a second. Now, I'll set y'all right here. We got to pull out these little push pins that are right here. And I'll show you, because this is a real pain in the butt myself. But at least use like a little pry tool. See? These little push pins. You got some of these you got to take out. So let me take out another one. So I know you guys are new to the channel and all. And of course, one of the videos that I posted when I first got the Frontier blew up. No, I didn't say it blew up, but it actually got a lot more traffic than my other videos in most cases, besides shorts. And I really appreciate you all that has viewed, even for just a little bit of time. It still helps. I really appreciate it. But oh crap, I just scratched that. But this is for me to tell everybody that's watching, new viewers, current viewers, we are on at least a 200 subscriber goal by the end of March. That's going to be the goal. We're going to set it. I'm setting it for everybody, me, myself included. And that can keep me going. So if you guys would like to support that goal, that'd be awesome. But I don't want to sit here yammering. I want to continue and get these done. But yes, that is the goal for the end of March, which we're just about to enter March tomorrow. So yes, 200 subscriber goal. That'd be awesome. That would be fantastic. And while I'm doing this, I want to ask you guys a question. Let me know in the comments what has been your most difficult install. Because mine, as of right now, until I figured it out, was the intake. Other than that, well, and I will say this too, because I didn't know that tray slid out, but I'll go over that. But yeah, just let me know in the comments. What is your most difficult accessory that you have put on your vehicle? And I'll be, dang it. All right, we're going to move on to the next. Alrighty, on to the next step. We got 3 T20 torque heads we got to take out. There's one here, there's one at the end. So, yes, got to take out those 3 torques. And then there's clips that pop out this shroud. I'm going to try not to take off the grill. I mean, they say it's recommended, but you don't have to do it. We're just going to try our best to not take the grill off, because that would be an easier way of trying to show it. So let's get these torque heads out of the way. I'll sit y'all on the back on the middle, and we'll get the torque heads out. Oh, I want to lose that. All right, here. And remember, guys, it is a T20 that takes these bad boys out. And you don't want to warp the heads on these, so be very careful. These would be very easy to warp. So, all right, got the 3 out. On to the next step. Alrighty, guys, so I know I'm wearing a sleeveless shirt, and I did kind of went ahead and skip ahead a few steps because I have to have 2 hands for the most of it because I'm not taking the grill off. So they're in. I haven't plugged them up yet, or they're plugged up. I just don't have it. I don't have the negative terminal back on. So yeah, pretty much is which I just put this back on. But there's a piece of rubber up under here. Somewhere up in where this wiring harness is, there's a piece of rubber right there. And so the rubber can come up or come down that's in there. You can't really see it. But that's the way I did it instead of taking the grill off. You can take the grill off, and it's kind of short and simple from there once you get the hardware all put up. And they provide you the wiring. So you got to go into the accessory, which is right where that's inline fuse is. So it's hooked up. And then, of course, they tell you to cut a corner out of your lid. That way you can feed the wire and not crush it. And of course I use that spot for the ground. That may not be it, but we're about to find out. So other than that, all I gotta do is hook up the negative battery terminal and put this lid on, and we should be good to go. So yeah, let's see. Alrighty, guys, the install is complete. I got a mess I gotta clean up in here, but the mess out here is clean and ready to roll. So let me go in here, fix this up, and I will see you guys here shortly and get some B-roll footage of the lights and see how well Z1 has their product. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, and now we're out and about, and I can show you with the lights on what they look like if you hadn't already. Like I said, Z1 has some very good products. So far, so good anyway. And I plan to buy more in the future, so I'll just stick around for the build, and we will continue this down the road with a work in progress. So here we go. And there you go. I like them so far. And I mean, during the day you can see them. Hopefully at night they're a little bit brighter. Guess we'll have to wait and see. But I guess it does give that more of a off-road appearance for Raptor lights. The only thing I kind of wish is they could be just a tad bit bigger to kind of fill the gap here. But other than that, I mean, it looks good. Tinted housings. And like how I have them set up, it's only for the ABS slot. So the only time they get power is when the truck's on. That is it. Doesn't matter if I unlock it, lock it. Don't matter. Because it's not hooked to the DRLs or anything. So it's just strictly when it has power. And there you have it. So, like I said, there's going to be more Z1 parts on the way. It's just going to take a little bit more time. So we're going to go more vlog style. And I know I didn't get to do the full install, unfortunately, because all that there required both hands. And for you to kind of get a better grasp on it, I know some people can do it. To me, myself, once I get started, I'm not going to stop until it's finished. So that's just how I am. But it's real simple and easy, kind of. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. Of course, I did it without taking the grill off, because that is a pain in the butt just looking at it. And I don't want to break anything. And getting one of the clips back in on the pass or the driver's side was awful. By the way. So, yes, did it without grill removal. It's still a bit of a pain, but it works. It's on there. It's functioning. So, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to follow the build, subscribe. Like I said earlier, the end goal for March is at least 200 subs. The goal for at least end of the year is 500. I mean, there ain't no big rush. It's a work in progress. It's not a jump to it and it's going to immediately begin. So this is just the start of the build. We're going to get there slowly. I'll take any kind of what's the word I'm looking for? Advice on y'all's builds. If you have a Frontier that's built, lifted, off-road style, show style, let me know. I'll be happy to take some advice, because I'd rather take some advice than having to take my own and potentially go the wrong direction or not like the way it turned out, if you understand what I'm saying. So, like I said, if you like the video, leave a like, comment. Like I said earlier, let me know what your most difficult add-on to a vehicle is, because obviously, like I said, mine was the intake until I figured it out. But I've had much worse that I can't really remember off the top of my head. So, yeah, just leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.